Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in a Samsung XE303C Chromebook. Before you begin your replacement, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to use your spudger to go around the perimeter of the bezel and carefully pry it apart from the top cover. Next, you will remove the 4 LCD screws. Now, you will disconnect the LCD cable from the back of the LCD and remove the LCD altogether. The first step in the installation of your replacement LCD will be to reconnect the LCD cable into the back of the LCD. Now, you will set the LCD into place and replace the 4 LCD screws. The final step will be to snap the bezel back onto the top cover. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your Samsung Chromebook. Good job!